Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in for another Market Outlook by Exness. My name is Stanislav Bernukhov, Senior Trading Content Specialist here at Exness, and in today's video we are going to be checking on a possible trading idea for the week ahead, the narratives behind it, and which economic data could potentially affect this trade. But before we proceed, let's check on the performance of last week's idea. So the idea was a sell for EURUSD with a target area around 1.16. The idea was partially correct, the trade was triggered and moved in the expected direction, but the target has not yet been reached, so the trade is still working. Now for this week we are focusing on the short WTI crude oil with a potential target of $60. After testing the $65 area and showing a big distribution day, crude oil might reverse back to the downtrend and reach the price of $60. What is the narrative behind this idea? Yesterday's proposal of the US President Donald Trump about de-escalation in Gaza was approved by Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu. That is a move towards decreasing geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, though the situation might be far from the resolution yet. Anyways, crude oil futures have reacted with a sharp drop, confirming the weak sentiment. According to the Energy Administration of the United States, the price of crude oil futures is expected to decline in the fourth quarter at least to $59 per barrel on average, and around $50 in early 2026. The forecast is based on the inventory expectations as OPEC Plus members have increased the production output this year. That situation pushes energy assets lower, including crude oil and energy stocks. Technically, the price of crude oil shows the retracement from 65 price area, which is also the upper band of the Bollinger Bands, and the 200-day moving average, the long-term level acting as a strategic resistance. What data releases could trigger volatility for this market? The first concern of traders today for the moment of recording this video is a possible government shutdown on Tuesday. If it happens, it might delay releases of economic data for the entire week. If it doesn't happen, the first release to pay attention to is a scheduled crude oil stocks report on Wednesday, October the 1st. Currently, oil stocks have been recovering, providing some pressure for the market, and if trend continues, it might fuel the decline. Another important release is the NFP publication on Friday. Currently, it's expected to show a 50K growth in September. But should it be lower or higher, it may trigger volatility for all asset classes, energy markets included. So in summary then, the idea for today is a potential short for WTI crude oil with a target of $60. The trigger for the move is de-escalation initiative in Gaza and a technical rebound of the price from the strategic $65 area. Crude oil stocks report on Wednesday and Friday's NFP report might trigger volatility for this market. Don't forget, this is just the idea, always do your own research and never forget to manage your risk.